Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you an AI tool that can completely automate phone calls for your business. Everything from sales and lead qualification to customer support and appointment booking. So, this is the kind of tool that can replace repetitive manual work and can help you scale without hiring more people. Let's jump straight into how it works. So, to start, go to callsi.in. Don't worry, I'm going to put the link in the description below. Now, this platform is designed to handle both inbound and outbound calls automatically. So that means it can call your leads for you, answer incoming customer inquiries, qualify prospects, book appointments, send follow ups, and all without you needing to pick up the phone. And the best part is you can fully customize how it behaves. Now, there are two main ways you can use this tool: outbound campaigns. So you upload a list of leads and the AI will automatically call them. So it can introduce your offer, ask questions, and guide the conversation toward a goal like booking a call or generating interest. The next one is inbound setup. So you can also assign a phone number where customers can call in. So instead of you or your team answering, the AI handles everything from support questions to product inquiries. Now, how to set up your campaign. So to get started, you simply create a campaign. Now, from there, you configure your campaign by adding your business name, a description of what you offer, and the goal of your calls. So inside the dashboard, you'll see all your activity like calls made, you have conversations, and results. You can also enable features like call transcriptions and notifications so you always know what's happening. Now that we've set up the basic details of our campaign, let's move on to configuring the core settings that control how your AI actually behaves during calls. So after you've set up your campaign name, business name, and your business profile, next here you have campaign type. So choose inbound or outbound. So in this case, I'll choose inbound. Here you can send transcript of finished calls. You can enable this. You can also enable send SMS with conversion information or links. So just check the box to enable it. And next, you'll see the AI model section. So here you want to select GPT real time. This is important because it controls how fast and how naturally your AI responds during calls. Next, we have the maximum number of calls per lead. So this simply defines how many times the AI will attempt to reach the same person. For example, if you set this to 2, the AI will call once, and if there's no answer, it will try again later. So I recommend keeping this between 2 to 3 calls so you're following up effectively without being too aggressive. Right below that, you'll see the gap between follow up calls. So this controls how long the AI waits before trying again. A good default is 1 day, which gives enough space between attempts while still keeping your outreach active. Next part is very important. So you need to make sure your time zone matches the location of your leads. So if your audience is in the US, you can keep it on Eastern time. If you're targeting a different country, make sure to adjust it accordingly. And you also see a campaign ID here. This is mainly used for API integrations and advanced setups. And finally, you can upload your business logo. So this step isn't required, but it's highly recommended, especially if you're using this for clients or running as an agency. So next one, let's go to agent profile. Now in here, type in the agent name. You can select language, response length, and the speech speed. So you can set it to normal, slower, or faster. And once done, click on save. Next, go to instructions. So this is where things get powerful. So you're not just using a generic AI, you're actually training it to represent your business. You can define what the AI should say when starting a conversation, what questions it should ask, how it should respond to different situations. For example, you can instruct it to ask if a lead is interested, explain your product or service, and offer to schedule a follow up. So every conversation stays aligned with your goals. Next is voice and behavior customization. Another powerful feature is voice customization. So you can choose different AI voices. You can choose speaking styles. So whether you want something professional, friendly, or conversational, you can adjust it to match your brand. Now you can also create predefined responses for specific questions. For example, if someone asks about your pricing or contact details, the AI can instantly reply with a prepared answer. So this keeps your messaging consistent and avoid mistakes. You can add as many of these as you want, making the AI smarter over time. Next is scheduling and call control. You're also in full control of when the AI operates, so you can set specific calling hours, choose which day it runs, and adjust follow up timing. So, this ensures your leads are contacted at the right time without being overwhelmed. Next, you have integrations and appointments. So, the system can also connect with tools like calendars and calling APIs. Now, once connected, it can schedule appointments automatically, it can manage bookings, and it can send reminders. So instead of going back and forth with clients, everything happens instantly. Next, you have notifications and insights, so you'll always stay updated on what's happening. The platform can notify you when a lead shows interest, an appointment is booked, and a call is completed. So you can also review full transcripts of conversations so you know exactly what was said. Another one is lead management. So adding leads is simple. You can upload a CSV file with phone numbers, and the AI will handle the rest. So once your campaign is active, it starts reaching out automatically. No manual work needed. One of the biggest advantages is cost. Now, each call costs only a few cents, which is significantly cheaper than hiring a team. And since it's AI, it can handle multiple calls at the same time, something human teams simply can't do efficiently. Now, beyond using it for yourself, there's also a business opportunity here. You can offer this as a service to other businesses. For example, you can set up campaigns for clients, manage their AI calling system, and charge monthly fees. So this can easily turn into a scalable agency model. Now, overall, this is a powerful tool for automating one of the most time-consuming parts of any business, communication. If you're doing sales, support, or lead generation, this can save you time, reduce costs, and help you scale faster. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more content like this. And if you want to learn more about this tool, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.